Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the lecture of chemistry. I am your teacher Sumayya Khan. Today we are going to study about the important factors affecting adsorption of gases on solid. The extent of adsorption of gases on solid depends on several factors. Let's see the first factor. Number one is nature of adsorbate, and here our adsorbate is gas. Okay, so the amount of gas that is adsorbed by a solid depends on nature of the gas. Gases which are easily liquefiable can be readily absorbed. The gases having high critical temperature. What is critical temperature? The temperature above which a gas cannot be liquefied. Okay, and that topic is discussed in chapter states of matter. Okay, so such gases which are easily liquefiable, which have high critical temperature, are very good adsorbate, and their extent of adsorption is good. For example, here some examples are given. From the value of the critical temperature, you can say that ammonia, chlorine, and sulfur dioxide are showing high critical temperature, means these are such gases which can be easily liquefied by increasing the pressure. Okay, so if you increase the pressure of the gas, the gases may convert to liquid, and these are some example of gases which can be easily liquefiable, therefore they are good adsorbate. Okay, the next one is nature of adsorbent. It means what is the nature, what kind of adsorbent is there on which the adsorbate gas is getting adsorbed. So substances which provide large surface area for a given mass are effective adsorbent and adsorb appreciable volume of gases. For example, silica gel and charcoal are effective adsorbent due to their porous nature. Silica gel and carbon, that is charcoal, are very good adsorbent because their surface is porous, that allows adsorption of more amount of gases on it. Okay, so what is the kind of what is the nature of your adsorbent also determines how much gas will get adsorbed on it. Okay, the next one is also related to adsorbents, that is surface area of adsorbent. If the surface area is available in large quantity, more amount of gas can get accumulated on it. Okay, so adsorption is a surface phenomena, we know that. Hence the extent of adsorption increases with increase in surface area of adsorbent. जितना जितना आपका एरिया बढ़ेगा, सरफेस एरिया जितना ज़्यादा रहेगा, जाहिर सी बात है कि उतना ही एड्जॉर्प्शन भी ज़्यादा होगा. Therefore, finely divided substances, rough surfaces, colloidal substances are good adsorbent as they provide larger surface area for a given mass. Okay, so these are why good, because they have greater surface area and more amount of gas can accumulate on it. Okay. Now, next is temperature. We know that all the adsorption processes are exothermic. It means they release heat. Therefore, these processes, the process of adsorption, will be favored at low temperature. They don't want heat. Okay, they are exothermic processes. So what happens when adsorption take place? Heat is released. It means that if temperature is low, it is good. If temperature is high, the absorption will be less. It is not favored by the higher temperature. So the amount of gas adsorbed is therefore inversely proportional to temperature. If you go on increasing the temperature, the adsorption will go on decreasing. They are inversely related with each other. Now here a figure is shown in which a variation of nitrogen adsorption of nitrogen gas is shown with pressure. You can see the first curve. The uppermost curve is what? the at uppermost curve the pressure is increased at 195 Kelvin temperature. Okay, it means it has the lowest temperature. At the lowest temperature you can see the, as we increase the pressure from left hand side to right hand side on the x-axis, you can see that the amount of get absorbed is increasing with what pressure. You go on increasing the pressure, the amount of gas adsorbed will also go on increasing. Now in the second curve you can say that the same type of increase in pressure is taking place at 244 Kelvin, but the amount of gas adsorbed here is less as compared to 195 Kelvin. So we can see here that as the temperature is increasing from 195 to 244, from 244 to 273 Kelvin, the amount of gas getting adsorbed in on per unit area of the adsorbent is also going on to decrease. It is getting lowered as the temperature is becoming higher from 195 to 273. तो जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जा रहा है अमाउंट ऑफ गैस एड्जॉर्ब वो क्या है, घटती जा रही है. लेकिन इसमें आपको दो चीज़ें नज़र आएगी कि प्रेशर जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे अमाउंट ऑफ गैस एड्जॉर्ब भी बढ़ रहा है. तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा इधर कि प्रेशर इज अनदर फैक्टर ऑन विच द अमाउंट ऑफ और द adsorption of gas on solid depends. So at any temperature the extent of gas adsorbed increases with increase in pressure. अगर आप प्रेशर गैस का बढ़ा रहे हो इट मीन्स यू आर फोर्सिंग द मॉलिक्यूल्स और द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ गैसेस डाउन ऑन टू द सरफेस ऑफ योर एड्जॉर्बेंट. आप क्या कर रहे हैं, फोर्स कर रहे, पुश कर रहे हैं गैशियस मॉलिक्यूल्स को सरफेस की तरफ एड्जॉर्बेंट की. तो क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जैसे प्रेशर बढ़ाएंगे एड्जॉर्प्शन भी बढ़ता जाएगा. द एक्सटेंट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस. दे आर रिलेटेड व्हाट, they are in direct proportion with each other. The extent of adsorption and the pressure are in direct proportion. Okay, but at high pressure the extent of adsorption becomes independent of the pressure. अब जाहिर सी बात है आप प्रेशर बढ़ाते जा रहे एक लिमिट आएगी कि उसके बाद आप कितना भी प्रेशर बढ़ाओ क्योंकि अब उतना ही रहने वाला है एक्सटेंट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन, क्योंकि अब जो अवेलेबल सरफेस एरिया है उसने पूरा कवर कर लिया है सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स को. उससे ज़्यादा गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स वो ले ही नहीं सकता है अपने ऊपर. ठीक है, सो एट अ वेरी हाई प्रेशर द एक्सटेंट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन बिकम्स independent of the pressure. The surface area of adsorbent is then almost fully covered by adsorbed gaseous molecules and therefore it becomes independent. Okay, so these are the 5 important factors that determine the extent of adsorption of gas on the surface of solid.